Don't come for me. Oh, it works better if you pump it. Like, look how white that is. I'm not a makeup guru. Hello. Welcome back. Welcome to my everyday makeup routine. I can't actually move. I'm wearing jeans, so I'm like currently stuck in the exact position I'm sitting in. I need to stop wearing jeans while I film. Technically, I do not wear makeup every single day, but this is like my go-to. Like, I'm literally doing it today. I'm not going anywhere fancy. I'm just doing my makeup. Obviously I skincare first. Then I'm going to put concealer on. I start with concealer. This is the current concealer that I am using. It's just from Kmart. Don't come for me. A girl's got to do what a girl's got to do. It is a little annoying to use, I will admit. Push, squeeze, pump it. Oh, it works better if you pump it. I've had it for so long and I didn't know it works better if you pump it. Anyways, I'm just popping concealer in the concealery spots. I'm just checking it under my eyes. I'm checking it around the edge of my nose because that seems to always be super red. Also, I've got this fucking whatever the fuck that is on my nose currently. So like, let's just pretend she's not there. And I also have a bit of a breakout happening. So we're just going to cover that up and pretend it's not happening. Oh my god, look, done. Then I use this brush from Taleasha to blend it in. I use this end for my concealer. I am against a beauty blender. I said it, guys. I'm against the beauty blender. Come for me if you want, but I'm heavily against the beauty blender. I really said forehead on display today. Like, she is on display. Look at that 5 head. Whew. Next step is foundation, which is a little bit of a lie because actually normally I start with my brows, but I don't think they need filling in today. Y'all can disagree with me, but I don't always fill them in for everyday makeup. If I was going out on the town, they would be being filled in. Anyways, these are my two go-to foundation / they're both actually technically a skin tint. This one is for when I have my fake tan on, obviously, like look at the color difference. Now this is by Morphe. I have it in the shade Hint of Marshmallow, and it does say for fair, with neutral undertones. That's where I went wrong. I don't have neutral undertones. And this one is the Charlotte Tilbury dupe from Kmart. You're gonna find a trend here with all the Kmart makeup. Broke bitch things. I have no idea. This is like the fairest one they had. And sometimes it doesn't even look like you're wearing foundation. So if you like that look, definitely go for this. Like, look how white that is. And then I just use the fatter end of this Taleasha brush and blend. See how it's like almost as if I'm not even wearing makeup. I feel like all it really does is just make me more shiny. Now that I'm literally fully glowing. Next up we have contour. Once again, it is from Kmart. Sugar. I do use a cream contour. So I'm only gonna put a little bit because a little goes a long way. Now, to blend it out, because y'all know I'm against beauty blenders, I have this tooly thing. Don't know where it's from, but you see how it's like angled? We use this bad boy. I do my cheeks first because I'd rather my forehead be like fucking really orange than my side of my face. And no, I don't contour my nose. To blend it in, even though all the TikTok girlies say brush up, I like go up and down and then I go like blendy blend. I do what I do and then it looks like this. You can really see it on the camera. Alright, let's show off the balding. Not actually, it's just my hairline, my terrible hairline that I was blessed with. Moving on, blush and highlighter. So I do my cheek blush and my highlighter here at the same time with the same like brush thingy. And I use this stick highlighter and I put the highlighter like this. And then I use blush. Now, it depends what mood I'm in. I either use this Kmart blush, which she's a bit damaged from traveling to Europe, or I use this Mecca blush stick. But today we're gonna go for the more subtle blush. I normally use this for the more tan days because it shows up better on the tan. I was like, this one's such a cute like little pinky one, and I just put it on like literally like that on my cheeks. This is the brush I use to blend. She's just a I don't know. I don't even know if she's a blush brush. And when I blend, I tap. And we make sure we go all the way up along the highlighter, and then we come back, and then we go up, and we come back. And ta-da, we have color back in our face. Wow. Alright, now I go in like my favorite highlighter. So this highlighter is from Sports Girl. She's old. She's just a liquid highlighter. And now I'm going to pop it on the tip of my nose, my cupid's bow, and the inner corners of my eye. And this is literally my favorite part of my makeup step. And I just use my finger. And then, yeah, the makeup looks like this. Alright, we're going to curl the lashes very carefully And then we're gonna chuck on this MCO Beauty mascara. She's seen better days. This is the Fat Lash from MCO Beauty. I'm gonna put it on my top lashes and my bottom lashes. Now my only tip for curling your eyelashes is hold it longer than you think. Not harder, like you hold it quite soft, just hold it longer than you think. I have to fully move. It always blows me away how much mascara can change your face. I have to do half a face of makeup. That old trend where they used to only do their makeup on half their face and see what I look like. How do they do those ads where they're like... Anyways, next is lip gloss. I just use literally whatever lip gloss. I'm deciding between these two today. These are also normally my go-tos. It's just kind of whatever lip gloss I grab. This is just a lip oil, which is from Kmart, and this obviously is the Kylie Cosmetics. The last time is going to be my brows. Sometimes I don't do anything, and this is it. Sometimes I chuck some of this. It's just from Mecca. It's just a clear brow gel. But today I think I need to put on my colored brow shit. So I have this from Mecca, which is just... Oh, it's called a tinted gel. And I'm just going to chuck that on my brows. I'm not a makeup guru. Oh, fuck. I think I'm going to need to use my phone because I can't get any closer. Oops, I think I put too much on the ends. Did that even do anything? Did that make a difference? I just follow my natural shape in my brows. I do get my brows tinted, if you didn't already know. And it's just, I just follow where kind of like the tint already is. Finish off with a little bit of setting spray so it stays on all day. Which I also didn't get out because I'm a dumbass. I like to use the Morphing setting spray that looks like a hairspray bottle. And yeah, that's my everyday makeup. This is what I do whenever I put makeup on. You get what I'm trying to say, right? You get what I'm trying to say. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. I don't even know if this was helpful or not. As I said, I'm not a makeup guru. I'm gonna love you and leave you. And until next time, because I know you'll be back. Bye!